Let us look at what is Dravya. Okay, that's a very interesting word. It is the first category of Padarth or substance. You see, what is Dravya? The word Dravya is made up of a dhatu or a root called Dhru. Dhru gato Dravya. That means Dhru is movement or transformation or change or going somewhere. Drut is another word which means fast. So Dhru is related to movement and Dravya is something which is the subject of change, the subject of transformation. And the classical definition of Dravya, it says that yatrashit karma guna karanam samvai yat tadravyam. That means Dravya is the form of matter which is subject of properties and action. Yeah, so properties, they need a house, they need a lodging to express themselves. Properties are also physical, they are padarth, they are part of the material world. Action is also part of material world, but properties and actions, they cannot stay independently. They do not have independent existence as physical entities. They need a house, they need a source of manifestation. Just like soul needs body for manifestation, needs a mind for manifestation, similarly these properties, these actions, this samvai and other factors, they also need a source, a foundation for manifestation. And this source of manifestation, this subject of action or expression of properties is called Dravya. And because of the presence of properties and action, this Dravya keeps changing, it keeps transforming, it moves from one place to the other, it moves from one state to the other. Say for example, water. Water, if heat, the Guna, the property of heat, moves to water, so the water becomes water vapor. Yeah? The heat doesn't change. The heat is the energy that stays constant. It can enter water and it can leave water. When heat leaves water, then water becomes ice. So, water is the Dravya which houses properties and actions. And here we are talking about the heat energy. There is another kind of energy, kinetic energy, in which you see, when the kinetic energy enters water, water moves. There are tidal waves, there are storms, there are cyclones. And when this energy, it is taken away from water, the water becomes still. And this is one of the very small, very visible example. We have so many things happening around us right now. I as a person am not Dravya, but I am a combination of many Dravyas, and I, because of these Dravyas, I can host properties. I can be dark, I can be fair, I can be excited, or I can be lazy, I can be dull. All these are properties. I can house and express these properties. I can act, I can move, I can displace things. So I can manifest actions in a similar manner. So this is what Dravya is.